into destroying this thing, watch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Don't throw that on the floor. Come on. How could you? How could you? Angel, I'm trying to put that back. I'm trying to put it back. Why did you do that? Huh?
Hey, drink, Mary. Come on.
I'm putting it back, and you're taking it out.
Drink.
Hey, what are you doing? Look at this.
Hey.
Where are you going? Is there gold under there? Did you find any goodies? Did you find any goodies? Where are you going? Come here. Look. Look. What's in there? Did I scare you? Did I scare you? Come here. Come on. Say bye. Oh, you're gonna bite my grandma's feet? You're gonna bite her feet? No? Does it stink? Does it stinky? Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You cutie. Look how cute you are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how cute you are. Where are you going? Did you find anything in there? Is that good stuff? Is there good stuff in there? Good boy. You're a cutie. You're a cutie. Come on. Come on. Come here. Look at you. Look at you. Look at your face. Look at that face. Yeah, I want to just kiss you up. Where are you going? You running away? Say bye. Bye. Oh, you're going to bite her feet? Go ahead. Go bite her feet. Come on. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He's so cute. Give me a kiss. Ranger, that's your name. What's in there that you're so into it? Too bad you can't go. The couch is low. You would have went right inside there. What am I doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Give me a kiss. What's so special that it's in there? Hmm? Is there something that I don't know what's in there? What happened? That's Grandma's foot. That's Grandma's foot. You were chewing on her foot. You like to torture her. Alright, come on, Angel.